Okay, I wanted to make a fresh video here just showing label connector for QuickBooks from AccuWare use with invoices. We've got a video already up on the YouTube channel, but I want to just freshen that up and show you with the latest version of label connector. So um, with label connector you can use various order types to print labels from QuickBooks, and we automatically draw the data out of QuickBooks and let you rapidly print labels with one click of a button. We have our own designer built in, and there's a whole host of different modes. You can use the QuickBooks items list, invoices, sales orders, purchase orders, the receiving screen, things like that to print labels. But let's just go over invoices real quick. So I've got this invoice teed up here. Invoice number 71082. I've already got label connector connected to the company file, so this is strictly a demo to just show you it working with invoices. So label connector works with QuickBooks logged in, but you can just minimize that and you just search on the invoice. Okay, and we pull the invoice into the screen, and you use a label design that you can create ahead of time. In this case, I'm just going to use the XPS document writer just as an example, but you need to use a label printer with our solution. And then we'll go ahead and we're just going to use this invoice sample template that I already have prepared. Now, once you're in this screen, you don't have to keep reselecting that because we're just going to bring that up for you automatically. And since we don't want in this demo, I'm just going to do on screen using this file. I'm just going to select this one item so you can just see. It'll just print the results of what's on that template, and it'll pull the data from QuickBooks. So this will print two labels, but in this case it's going to do two sheets to the XPS document writer. But normally this would be two labels on a label printer. So let's just go ahead and do that. And this is just going to save the file, right? So we're just going to I'll create a folder here. Just quickly, let's see. AccuWare. We'll make a new folder called Demo for this. And we'll just save this first one here. Test 1. Save. Okay, so let's take a look at that file. So we did print quantity of 2 with the XPS printer. It's just going to do like 1 as the sample to print because it's a sheet printer, but we would do 2 labels for a label printer. So let's just open that up. See AccuWare demo. And it pulls in all the data from QuickBooks here automatically onto the label. So so this is, again, using the XPS document printer. It's kind of hard to demo it. So normally you would have a label printer, and this would just kick out 2 labels, okay? But we're just doing this so you can see on the screen. So in this case, what the software would do is it would just print 5 of this first item, 2 of this second item, 2 of this third item, and 3 of this fourth item to a label printer. And if you press get order and choose like some different invoice number, I haven't even looked at this, but we'll just go ahead and do that. You can see it saves the printer, it saves the last template you used, and it just pulls in that next order if you want to print labels for that. So hope this kind of gives you a feel for what label connector for QuickBooks can do. It's a smooth integration to QuickBooks for all kinds of order types. Get your labels done quickly and easily. We have our own designer. You can see I opened up that invoice template. So this is what the template would look like, and then when we printed it, you saw that the XPS document printer, produces that. That would go out to your label printer. In this case, it's like a 3x3 design. So here we pulled in the item name, the quantity, if you want to show it on the label. The quantity to print can even be on the label, the date, and the invoice date, and then that's actually the due date or the ship date, and then we have a barcode of one of the values. Let's see, in this case that's a barcode of the item on there. So hope this gives you a good demo. You can see we can do text, barcodes, your logo. We can add lines. You can test print from the screen as well. So just an overview of the 2021 version of Label Connector for QuickBooks from AccuWare. Thanks. Bye-bye.